So hi Zoya, welcome to IWM Buzz. It's a pleasure. Lovely to see your smile. Looking forward to this lovely project as well. Uh, you know,
Hi, thank
Hi,
you.
hi, hi. It's a pleasure. Good evening. First of all, of course, everybody is talking about the trailer, whoever has seen it, and any sort of thrillers, be it a spy thriller, anything that has a mystery element attached to it in the web space is always intriguing and always interesting. The perception might be different for the audience because of the way or the reason they want to watch it, and the reason might be different for the actor who selects to do it. So, what was the reason for you, and how does the audience in you and how does the actor in you differentiate the reason for selecting this?
Thank you so much for the lovely introduction and for taking out time for this interview.
It's a pleasure.
Um, Really looking forward to the release first of all, which is going to happen on 18th of November on MX, and
Yes.
really super excited. That's why the big smile is there the moment somebody asks
Yeah.
me about it, because I really cannot wait for everyone to see my character
Yeah.
and the show and
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
whole story that has been put out. For
Yeah.
me to do this part and to do Matsya Khan, there were so many reasons that I cannot even count. Like it wasn't
Yeah.
like कि अच्छा ये करना है, and it wasn't even that. It was just like
Yeah.
wow, there's this and there's this also, and the story is great. My character's written well. The other actors are also amazing, like the way that they
Yeah.
have casted,
Yeah.
amazing casting. So there are
Yeah.
so many reasons. And when I met Ajay sir, the director
Yes.
of our show, he was such a chill person. And when I went to meet him after my audition, they had called me. I
Yeah.
remember, and it was just supposed to be where I just enact the scene, the audition scene. And he
Yeah.
told me just go with the flow and do whatever you want to do as
Yeah.
Urvashi. And
Yeah.
I remember while doing the scene, I enjoyed so much because after a point we forgot that we were in, and there were so many impromptu
Yeah.
things that were happening.
Yeah.
And I think that was the moment when I thought that I think I'm very close to this Urvashi's
Yeah.
part, and I think I
Yeah.
can definitely play her very very well because
Yeah.
it's written so well.
Yeah.
With
Yeah.
layering, she's a
Yeah.
magician, she's a con,
Yeah.
she's
Yeah.
um, there's so many other things which I can't reveal,
Yeah.
which are like on the tip of my
You have to
tongue.
be
But
tight-lipped about it, right? Yes.
and plus usually for us, like for women,
Yeah.
not a lot of times do we get characters that are, so feisty, and then she's, doing so many different things in one single web show. And
Yes.
I think with Urvashi and with Matsya Khan, I got that, and I did not even have second thoughts about it. Because जब मैंने थोड़ी बहुत एक ब्रीफ भी सुनी थी कहानी की, एक
Yeah.
तो मुझे थ्रिलर पहले से ही बहुत पसंद है एज एन ऑडियंस.
Yeah.
So as an
Yeah.
first मेरा reaction as an audience था कि oh wow, I would love to watch this
Yeah.
first of all.
Yeah. Exactly. Yes.
And secondly, I would love to be in it because the part is so
Yeah.
well. And
Yeah.
thirdly, amazing cast, amazing,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
everyone around me, such a good, brilliant actor. And to be
Yeah.
sharing the screen space with them would be really, really amazing. So
Absolutely.
many
Looking
reasons.
forward. Looking forward to lovely things touched in the future as well. But एक चीज मुझे बताइए, whenever we talk about, these kind of incidents where, there's some kind of maybe, forgery, maybe there's some kind of con that's happening. In reality, तो किसी को वो पसंद नहीं है. लेकिन there's some sort of glamorized factor, that we tend to watch or enjoy whenever we see it on screen. So what do you think is the biggest reason behind, the human mind and, emotions enjoying that when something like that happens on screen? I mean, it's so cool, the way Ravi handles and everything, the way you come in the trailer. Asli
Yeah.
zindagi mein nobody would want that to happen, but there's something really cool about it, on screen. What do you think is the biggest reason behind that?
Humans are so complex, right? I mean, had this happened in real life, we all would be
Yeah,
like, I don't know, शायद हमें
everybody would be
गालियाँ पड़
going
रही
bonkers.
होगी.
Yes.
But right now, since it's a show, see, that's the beauty of
Yeah.
being in cinema
Yes.
and being
Yeah.
on web series or being on TV. That
Yeah.
you can be anyone that you want to, and you're not judged for it, and you get to
Yeah. Yeah.
enjoy playing that
Yeah.
part. But honestly,
Yeah.
I myself am such a big fan of thrillers and cons, and
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
stylish avatar mein
Yeah.
jaakar,
Yeah.
badi a
Yeah.
cool way mein heist karna is such a. I think I'm a big
Yeah.
fan. So
Yeah.
of course, it's very like I think it's quite it's like an indulgence,
Yeah.
when you sit and watch
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
थोड़ा अपने heavy atmosphere से I think निकल के
Yeah.
if you want to indulge in something,
Yeah.
I think it's one of those categories. So
Yeah.
yeah, to me it has been the same. I think I enjoy it. I enjoy
Yeah.
watching it, and I've
Yeah.
enjoyed doing this one.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we've done some amazing cons.
Yeah.
So once you, I was like
Yeah.
on the,
Yeah.
काफी बच संभल के हम बोल रहे because it's a
Yeah.
con. I
Yeah.
can't reveal
Yeah.
much, but
Of course, that's
yeah.
fair. But
So I'm glad that once it comes out, I will be,
yeah,
you'll be able to watch it, and yeah.
I think one big reason behind that is the human race in general. They like to watch something on screen which they won't really like to happen in reality. So I think that's another factor that's always there. But
Also, I think it's nice because it's so intellectually done. It's not just
yes,
like
yes,
ये चीज़
just
ऐसे
done for the
करनी है.
sake of it,
Just the
right? Correct.
intellectual bit of it of how you can
Yeah,
pull things off
yeah,
is interesting
yeah,
and is
yeah,
intriguing, and I think that's why
yeah,
I think
yeah,
we all like to watch
yeah,
cons
yeah,
because
yeah.
the whole
Of course,
intelligence behind of it.
of course, not in reality. This is a fictional, perspective, and of course, you have different things over there that's done for the sake of the show. But asli zindagi mein also, in minute ways, we tend to do something like, maybe, we are not prepared for an examination, and we somehow manage to, skate through with some kind of cheating or help from friends, and then probably even get out, get more marks than the friend from whom we cheated. So very little small instances like these every human being कभी ना कभी तो किया ही होगा. So anything like this which you have done which made you feel कि अरे यार क्या बात है मैंने ये क्या कर लिया है, I actually achieved something out of doing nothing. Has anything like that ever happened
कभी
with you?
कभी जैसे कोई क्वेश्चन एग्जामिनेशन में जैसा आपने कहा, of course I had a nostalgic well, I went
Yeah.
back to my school
Yeah.
because कभी कभी ऐसा होता था ना, and I was someone who wanted to get good marks, so one of those
Yeah.
kids कि ना मुझे
Yeah.
अच्छे मार्क्स चाहिए and I will read,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
my problem is my memory is very bad. तो मैं कितनी बार भी पढ़ लूं उसे ना मुझे
ये
याद नहीं
आपका
होता.
नहीं, ये सबका प्रॉब्लम आई थिंक एवरेज में लोगों का यही
Yeah, so
प्रॉब्लम,
my
स्पेशली
mom
स्टूडेंट लाइफ.
and dad used to call me रट्टू तोता because मैं रटती
Yeah.
रहती थी हर
How
चीज,
sweet.
फिर भी मुझे याद नहीं
Yeah.
होती थी. So
Yeah.
to me, for me, that was like a biggest issue. It's not like I didn't study.
Yeah.
I studied a lot more. Like I would
Yeah.
sit for like 5 hours a day and not
अरे
remember
बाप रे
anything
बाप.
once I'm in the examination hall.
Yeah.
So I
Yeah.
remember, of course, ये सब किया ही है. I'm sure हम
Yeah.
सभी ने कभी ना कभी किसी
Yeah.
point पर. But
Yeah.
of course, किसी से
Yeah.
पूछ लेना, 1D का answer, and वहाँ से टीचर आ रही होती है.
Yeah. Yeah.
And but of course, the teachers are also aware कि ये सब कुछ ना कुछ,
Yeah.
यहाँ.
हाँ.
And I was roll number 1, so she would come and sit on
Oh
my
my
table
God.
only.
First bench.
So yeah, Zoya
Yeah.
Afroz.
Yeah.
So यहाँ
Ah.
Maharashtra में we
Right.
write Afroz Zoya. So
Yeah.
AF.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
one roll
Correct.
number for my
Correct.
entire lifetime. So I tried, but वो हो नहीं पाता था because the teacher would be right in front of me. So
Hilarious.
I had to be
Hilarious.
content with like what I had.
Yeah.
But कभी कभी थोड़ा बहुत
Yeah.
कुछ आंसर्स मिल जाते थे. कभी कोई बहुत
Yeah.
मेहरबान अगर
Yeah.
हो गया वो हमारे पीछे वाला या
Yeah.
कभी.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's some really.
Usually जिनको आंसर पता होता था ना वो बताते नहीं थे. जो बताते थे वो गलत
अरे
ही बताते
बाप रे बाप, ये तो यूनिवर्सल प्रॉब्लम है. This is a universal
यूनिवर्सल
problem.
प्रॉब्लम. वो ऐसे छुप के पेपर लिखते हैं अपना.
Absolutely, absolutely. That's how it's shown on projects as well. When we see on-screen essay type of students, we kind of see as well. But tell me something on a very serious note. Of course, you have done this project. You wanted to do this. You are interested in spy thrillers, and I mean thrillers in general, not spy. And you wanted to do this, and you did it. But कहीं ना कहीं जाके as a creative satisfaction as an actor, some people tend to leave it just at the way they have done. Their part gets over the last day of shoot, and they leave it and they move on to the next one. Whereas there is another category who probably don't really feel like they are off, or they have disconnected from the project till the time it comes out, and the audience has seen it. So which category do you belong among the two?
Honestly, inherently, I'm so much like Urvashi, and Urvashi is so much like Zoya. Like there are a lot of inherent qualities. Of course, I don't put off forms. I don't do that, of course. And I'm not a magician in real life. But inherently, how the character is, like how she thinks and how her mind functions on a very basic level, I think that is something that I could connect to. So there was no so much of on and off nahi tha. I felt a lot of connection with Urvashi. So that happened with her. And जब मैं पढ़ती थी ना कुछ तो I felt like ये तो मेरे लिए लिखा है type. कभी-कभी आप ऐसा character पढ़ते हो.
You get that feeling, right?
हाँ, you get that feeling कि ये तो I can do this because I have at some point मैं भी ऐसा सोचती थी. At some point मैं भी ऐसा सोचती थी या करती थी. So of course not the cons, please. अगर जरा लोग cons पे चलेंगे, मैंने cons नहीं बोला कभी. But yeah. So that way, but of course, Urvashi is something that's going to be very, very close to my heart because, and creatively as an actor, it gave me the opportunity to perform. Not only just acting bits, but I have some like kick-ass scenes in these where I'm fighting, where I'm showing magic, where I'm there's an emotional side to her as well, and you get to explore the whole graph of the character, and no character is like black or white. So this is something that you will get to see. Like since it's a con show, it's not one of those where जहाँ पे they're just having fun और वो बस stylish कपड़ों में बस fun कर रहे हैं, वो नहीं है. There's a graph to the whole story and every character, so which I was very happy about. So finally जब आप देखेंगे 18 को MX पे तब I think you can ask me something more about.
Of course, would love to share the feedback as well. But एक चीज मुझे बताइए, I strongly feel this, that acting is more of a teamwork. Of course, you're putting out your own performance as well, but how good you look on screen, especially with people. There are other people around as well. It's not just about how you are performing, but how good the other person is as well. You see somebody like a Ravi Dubey with whom you have shared a lot of screen space with. We don't really associate Ravi Dubey with these kind of characters. I don't think if he has done exactly something like this in the past. And I think jitna maine trailer mein dekha, I think he's superb. So how do you think the other actors, of course, you must have done a good job yourself. I can tell a lot better after seeing the show. But how do you think the actors around you who have worked around you helped you, probably become a better version of yourself on screen?
What you said is so correct, because acting, first of all, this whole, OTT or movies or whatever you call it, whichever platform, the whole shooting bit of it, this is the most creative, in a sense, where the most teamwork is required. And it's one of the biggest art forms where it cannot happen without, all these people involved. So, whether it's sound, whether it's the department of, costume, whether it's acting, whether it's direction, their assistants, and all of that, like lighting and camera and view. There's like unginat cheezein hai. So without any of it, without even like with one thing also missing, this art form cannot be, completed. So definitely it's one of the most complex art forms. You cannot just do it by yourself. So when we come on set, so actors, so of course it's a lot about give and take. तो जब आपके सामने बहुत अच्छे कलाकार होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे actors होते हैं, so of course even you perform better, I feel, because that give and take happens very nicely. And with me, I think with me, Ravi and Madhur, and मेरे usually ज़्यादातर scenes रवि के साथ हैं और मधुर के साथ हैं हम तीनों. तो जो हमारा give and take था, वो बहुत ही हमारा सुर I think बैठ गया था as Matsya and Urvashi, and I think the whole the gang kind of felt like a gang. So I think that is something that was
not a con gang, but at least a gang who connect well as friends.
A fun gang, not a con gang.
Yes.
Or like we would be serious and we would do the scene, but जैसे कट बोलते थे, we would like just burst out laughing कुछ फालतू बातों पर या कुछ ऐसी random topic पर, so that felt like a team. And more than that, such amazing actors, like all of them. And Ravi था सामने, मधुर है, पीयूष मिश्रा जी के साथ खैर मेरे सीन नहीं थे. रवि किशन जी के साथ मेरा I think एक आध सीन है, तो फिर वो भी काफी अच्छे हैं. तो जब इतने अच्छे कलाकार जब आपके सामने होते हैं तो बड़ा मजा आता है, because वो सुर बैठता है, वो अच्छे से वो give and take हो पाता है, and definitely बड़ा मजा आता है. For sure.
I think it's a very, very valid point. Give and take. It's all about exchange of positive energy. So you exchange energies and you become a better version of yourself. Thank you so much, Zoya, for talking to us. It's a pleasure. I wish you all the best for this one and all that you do in the future. Looking forward to meeting you in person very soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pleasure.
Meeting you. Thank you.
Looking forward to meeting in person as well. Thank you. God bless.